Why jingle bell inna your belly, jingle bell inna your belly, make bad man. Jingle bell inna your belly, jingle bell inna your belly. Me I wonder if you catch my drift. Your body I'm a Christmas gift.
Hi guys, and good afternoon. I just literally stepped through the door and got home. But said I have to catch up on my show. If you guys watch 90 Day Fiancé, like this video right now. Like 90 Day Fiancé, y'all need to be following me on, although the season done now, but there's one more episode I think, because last night they did say 2-night finale. I forgot watch that right now because everybody have messaged me and said, Zoe, you don't watch 90 Day Fiancé yet? Sundays are sports days, therefore I do not get access to the TV. From Sunday morning till Sunday night when I'm ready for going to bed, I do not have access to my TV. I just cut myself. Anyways, so yeah, we just reach in. Y'all, work. Oh, can we just take a minute to thank God that this is the last week of work? Like, holiday is Friday. Like, I'm so happy. I'm just trying to wait. Tomorrow I get to call all of my clients and confirm when everyone's schedule is. Mostly everyone is coming back on the 2nd, so pray that I'm off until the 2nd. Although this one company, like, they want people to come in next week. But then again, still, me know say, I go there work. And then at December still, so it don't really matter. But a couple of days would be wonderful, wonderful. So yeah, as I said, I just reach in. I don't think I'm cooking today, for the simple fact that I cook Friday, and on Friday nobody never eats, so I'm not cooking today. Whew. But yeah, man, I'll go watch my show, people and stuff. I'm sorry I have fallen off. Oh my god, let me show you guys. So yes, stop them gone underneath the tree. Yes, we got presents. I think that's for Kashaya, that's for my mom, and that is for, oh, well, one of them is for my mom, one of them is for Tiaja, and then I'm not even gonna show you guys my storage closet right now because my storage closet is a mess. But my sister's gift is in here somewhere. Girl, listen, it's not that I don't want to spend money, but if there's a sale, why not take advantage of that? You know what I'm saying? So yeah. You know what I could do today? We need to buy some makeup products. I don't know, I'm not talk too much, you know, because Christmas is just a couple of days away, and yeah, so then we'll see, whatever. I'm excited. I want to go do some little bit more Christmas shopping today. Hopefully the car comes back soon because it's not here yet. But yeah, so yeah, nothing really happening, you guys. I think I'm gonna do my hair. Me bumbo clock. How did this happen? How did this happen? How did this happen? No, how did this happen? Oh, this come off. Listen, shambles. That's what my life is, in shambles. Like, shalambo. I don't know this is Ross. Hey, people, let me fix my life and come back to no. Yeah, later. So I came to Walmart, right? And it's stressing me the fuck out. Like, I'm ready to get out. Like, I can't. Right, the Christmas shopping thing for me this year is like, no, I'm not doing it. I really want to get them sleds, like, just to like a flat mat them to go sledding, but I don't see them. And then, like, everyone just is crazy. Now got me mad. I'm gonna get my juice. I'm going home. I have this big old trolley with nothing inside but my purse. Okay? See if my local kind them. I'll go Christmas shopping in January or something. I ain't got the time. I feel like I'm living my childhood all over again. Like, smelly socks, alligator baby, no clean clothes, an Andrew's loose tooth, and I think the enormous suitcase. Oh my god, I've never seen the braids one. Like, Robert Munch. This is my whole childhood. I think I'm gonna get my kids books for Christmas. Like, they have to get some books. Like, this is lit. Oh my god. Guys, Medea. I
did have to wear headgear.
Yeah, I mean, I watched 90 Day Fiancé. Thumbs up the video if you guys watch 90 Day Fiancé. So it's the season finale, right? And it's a 2-day finale. And so I came home today and I watched yesterday's episode, which came Sunday. If you guys have been following along this season, you guys will understand when I say Molly and Louise. How? Sway? How they married? How are they married? And I'm sorry if you didn't see it yet, but they are married legally. And Goody Gano, him gone to him brother, cause him get him visa, him don't have to stay there anymore. He did not want to be there to take care of nobody pitney. Yeah, they went to go practice their vows, and he said, why don't you, you know, sign the papers? And she was like, okay, that's fine. We can sign, but we still gotta get married. All he did was sign, and he left. Man started talking about, oh, why you have all these Buddha, these owls, these skulls, these what? Like what? Bruh. I feel so bad for her. Like, I'm laughing, but I feel so bad for her because it's funny, but it's it's funny, but it's not funny. And then you have Annie now with the old man, yeah, who drunk and can't managing liquor, and he's just a mess. And like, I feel so bad for her because it's like, you came all the way from Thailand, the man that have no money, right? Couldn't pay your bride price, couldn't pay for your own plane tickets. Now you come a foreign, you have to stay in friend them house. Them a sponsor you, them a pay for your wedding. Him give you money for buy a dress, and him couldn't even afford a $318 dress. Somebody else did have to pay for it for you. Like, what are you doing, sweetie? But it's back on. See that? Me hear that little girl and me eat something. I don't like her. She need to stay in her place. Pitney need to be pitney. Pitney need to be pitney. Me say me can't take a little girl, see, from before the boy come. All of them there from before the boy come, because before him come, she's supposed to them did supposed to go to the airport, go pick him up, and she want to take along with the car if he not come back. Then when them reach at airport now, she gone in a one corner and everybody else to say hi to Louise. Then she go talk about, oh, she don't want plantains at the wedding, bitch. Do you know how good plantain is? Green plantain are ripe, but ripe plantain. But yeah, so if you watch this season of 90 Day Fiancé, comment down below. Let me know who your favorite couple is and why. Initially, my favorite couple was Molly and Louise, but now I'm gonna have to say that my favorite couple is the Little House on the Prairie girl, the one that looks like she could be in The Help. I can't even remember her name, but I just watched their wedding and it was cute because I like her man. I don't really like her. I like her man. And then in need for hurry up and take her out of Claremont because them soon not gonna live in at the parents' house too. Yeah. She too, that the girl there, she too like want like everything, it has to be her way or no way. Like, bruh, the man just give up him pretty much in whole life for come here, for come start a life with you. So yeah, I have to compromise. You can't be in a relationship and you're not ready for compromise. But yo, I just want to watch to see what happened with Molly and Louise, because, and then this tell-all, this tell-all is gonna be like telling all the tea. Like, I'm excited. And Azin and Danielle are my favorite too. Yeah, because Azin really like Danielle. I'm gonna know how Danielle gets a good man like Azin. But you know, so them people there in them foreign country there and stuff like that, them love them big girls and stuff like that. But I don't know how him can stay with her 2 times. I thought she gave birth 2 times. And 2 times she gave birth, you know. 1 time before she get the ring, and after that she get the ring and she gave birth. But anyways, it's back. So I'll talk to you guys later. Okay, bye.
Just like when Christmas a come.